before the world wakes up. Mark chapter 1:35. See, have you ever noticed how noisy life gets? Notifications, responsibilities, people needing you from every direction. Now listen to this. In Mark chapter 1:35, it says that very early in the morning, while it was still dark, Jesus got up, left the house, and went to a solitary place to pray. Let that sink in. See, before the miracles, before the crowds, before the pressure, Jesus chose the Father first. And here's a question. If Jesus needed that time, what makes us think we don't? See, we often say, I don't have time. But the truth is, we make time for what we value. See, Jesus was busy. People were waiting. Needs were everywhere. Yet, he understood something powerful. Private time with God fuels public life. You see, many of us are running on empty, trying to pour into others, trying to stay strong, trying to make good decisions. But we haven't been filled. See, Jesus didn't wait until he was drained. He started full. He went where it was quiet. He chose connection over convenience. See, he made space for what mattered most. So here's a simple challenge. Tomorrow morning, before the world wakes up, before the noise begins, give God your first moments, not your leftovers. Because when you seek him first, you don't just face the day, you're prepared for it. And that's the difference between surviving life and living it with purpose. God bless.